Tree ring analysis.
Each year, the tree forms new cells arranged in concentric circles called annual rings or annual growth rings. These annual rings show the amount of wood produced during one growing season. A cross section of a tree shows much more than its age. Diameter growth is particularly sensitive to fluctuation in the environment, moisture in the soil and air, temperature, sunlight. Very broad rings generally indicate a good growing air. Similar patterns occur in the rings of different tree species over a large geographic area due to variations in the amount of annual precipitation. Years in which adequate precipitation occurs produce wider rings of growth, but years of drought produce much narrower rings. The inner portion of a growth ring is formed early in the growing season when growth is comparatively rapid, hence the wood is less dense and is known as early wood. The outer portion is the late wood and has sometimes been termed summer wood, often being produced in the summer, though sometimes in the autumn, and is denser. It is possible to study ring sequences that go back to several thousand years. Master chronology. An average tree ring chronology for a particular region or one derived locally from a number of closely matching individual tree ring chronologies. The master chronology forms the reference against which new ring series may be compared and dated. Dendrochronology. Dendron tree chrones times is a scientific method that uses tree ring sequence to date annual growth rings of plant to their exact year of formation. It is applied in several scientific fields, namely archaeology, climatology, geomorphology, glaciology, hydrology, fire history, entomology. Dendrochronology, it is the study of both visible and microscopic details of tree rings uses. Tree ring analysis has been extremely useful in investigation of prehistoric series of Native Americans in the southeast. Tree ring data are also useful in other disciplines including ecology to study changes in forest community over time, environmental science to study the effects of air pollution on tree growth, ecology to date the earthquake and volcanic eruptions.